Good morning students. Today we are going to take revision related our previous topic or lessons. Okay, here is one question related with our topic. Look here, change the intransitive verbs into transitive verb and rewrite the sentences. Okay, remember this. Change the intransitive verbs. We want to change intransitive verb into transitive verb. ओके आपल्याला इंट्रान्सिटिव्ह अकर्मक क्रियापद सकर्मक क्रियापदामध्ये बदलायचं म्हणजे ज्या क्रियापदाला कर्म नाही त्या क्रियापदाला आपल्याला कर्म असलेल्या याच्यामध्ये कन्व्हर्ट करायचं अँड रीराइट द सेंटेन्सेस आणि ते पुन्हा लिहायचे आहेत. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वन इज अमित वॉज ईटिंग व्हेन आय entered. Okay, Amit was eating when I entered. In this example, there is no object. या वाक्यामध्ये कर्म नाहीये, त्यामुळे हे कसं आहे intransitive. This verb eating is a intransitive verb. So that we want to convert these intransitive verb into transitive verbs. Okay, आता याच आपल्याला transitive मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचंय. We want to add here object, direct object. Look here, Amit was eating banana. You can take here whatever you want. You can take here an apple, pineapple, papaya, whatever you want you can take here. Okay, तुम्हाला जे वाटतं ते तुम्ही इथे घेऊ शकता. Eating a banana or banana, a banana when I entered. I entered. Okay, now in this example look here, it is convert intransitive verb convert automatically into transitive verbs. आता इथे कर्म मिळालेला आहे. Now the same things in second sentence. Look here, the teacher will explain to you. Okay, the teacher will explain to you. We want to provide here object. Then look here, the teacher will explain fifth topic or chapter. As your wish you can take here. Okay, fifth topic to you again. In this way you can provide here direct object fifth topic. Okay, पाचवा प्रकरण किंवा fifth chapter. Okay, now in the third example look here, Priya is writing rashly. Look here, there is no object, so we want to provide here object. So write here, Priya is writing a letter. You can use here many things, homework, diary, daily diary. Okay, whatever you want, novel you can use here. Okay, Priya is writing a novel, you can use here. Okay, writing a letter rashly. Okay, look here, this writing verbs get here object so that it make or we can make it transitive verbs. आपण याला transitive बनवलेले, सकर्मक बनवलेले, याला कर्म प्रोव्हाइड करू. Now the second question. Okay, according to our syllabus, the second question. Look here, pick out the verbs from the following sentences and state whether they are stative or dynamic. Okay, we learned that what is meant by the stative verbs and what is meant by the dynamic verb. First we want to read the sentence and pick out the verbs from the following sentences, and then we want to state whether they are stative or dynamic verbs. Okay, look here, first read the sentence. These factories shut down after the floods. Okay, look here, in this example if you observe, shut down is a verb. Okay, shut down, and it is a dynamic verb, which is a dynamic verb, shut down. Okay, in second example, he has a new bike. Okay, in this example, okay, has is a verb and which show the state means sthiti. परिस्थिती दाखवतो. त्याच्याकडे एक बाईक आहे न्यू. ओके, look, it show the position of state so that you can pick out that has and mention here. Has is a stative verb. Stative verb. Now the next, Radha is a doctor. Radha is a doctor. It show the situation. Okay, ती डॉक्टर आहे हे दाखवतं. He is only indicate the state, स्थिती दाखवतं. So that it is a stative verb. Okay, is a stative verb. Stative verb. Okay, now and the last sentence, my uncle sent me a gift. In this example, look here, send is a verb and that is dynamic. You can write here send and write dynamic verb. Dynamic verb. In this way, you can practice or revise the all question pattern related with this topic. I hope you understand the revision part. The remaining part of this revision we will see in next video. Thank you.